Welcome to the new gold rush, the age of artificial intelligence. You might be thinking it's only for tech wizards and big corporations, but what if I told you that even as a beginner, you can start making money with AI tools right now? Stick around to find out how. First up, AI-powered content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help you write blog posts, social media updates, and even marketing emails in minutes. You can offer these services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses are always looking for quality content, and you can provide it faster than ever. Next, let's talk about design. Forget spending years learning complicated software. AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 can generate stunning visuals from a simple text description. You can create and sell logos, social media graphics, or even unique art prints. The possibilities are endless. Third, AI video creation. Tools are now available that can generate video clips from text or edit existing footage for you. You can create engaging short-form videos for platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, or produce tutorial videos for clients without ever touching complex editing software. Finally, you can bundle these skills and offer them as a package. Become a one-stop shop for businesses looking to leverage AI, manage their social media, create their content, and design their visuals, all with the help of AI. The future is here, and it's filled with opportunity. You don't need to be an expert to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn and adapt. Like, share, and follow my page for more tech tips.